U.S. stocks, they rallied at the open on Tuesday with Syria as well as Apple and Chinese data all in focus. And in order to answer some of those questions as to why the market is so strong today, standing next to me, as always, we have Peter Cardillo. Peter, thank you very much for joining us today, and how are you doing?
Good to be back. Doing well.
All right. It's been an interesting start to the week, to say the least, and today has been no different, with investors once again focused on the nation of Syria and whether or not there will be a U.S. military-led attack. Now, Obama has seemed to have gone a little soft as of late, and he also seems to be ready to talk to the public tonight, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. What do you think he's going to talk about, and how will that affect the markets?
Well, there's no question that there seems to have been a detour, you know, and of course it looks as though some sort of diplomatic resolution is probably going to take hold. And of course, you know, the fact that Russia's proposal is being accepted by the Syrians, and the fact that Mr. Obama is extending this possibility is certainly good news for the market. Now, you know, that just takes one concern off the table. That doesn't mean it's going to be a lasting situation, but at least for now, certainly it does look as though a diplomatic solution is at hand, and so the market is taking that into account. And of course, you know, we also continue to get good news out of China. You know, last week we looked at the trade numbers, which fared better than expected, and of course now we're looking at industrial production out of China, which rose above that 10% mark, another indication that the Chinese economy is beginning to pick up steam. So if you take into consideration the fact that the global economy is probably going to do better, obviously that's good news for the United States, and obviously that's good news for the stock market.